So for my snowflakes, I draw six-sided thing. Start with an X that's a little bit narrow, and then a third spoke through the other way. And then I just go on, and it doesn't really matter what the shape is, just do the same thing on each little arm of the snowflake. I kind of have my typical shapes that I use over and over in different combinations. Using a brush this one's about an inch wide. Then I can use the flat side to sort of stamp lines, or use the edge to go in with my circles and dots and things like that. If you look closely at my snowflakes, you will see that they are imperfect. You will see that there's much irregularity. So one thing for me has been to just keep going, to not stop and make everything exactly perfect, because the overall effect, I think, is still really nice. So I do a combination of things like triangles, V's, little heart shapes or teardrop shapes, circles, lines. Sometimes I do sort of wispy, swoopy lines. I kind of like the look of just the bold, I don't know if bold's the right word, but solid lines as opposed to super sweepy for these type of snowflakes. I think it just reads better as a whole. Like on this big building, you want something that you'll be able to recognize, appreciate from the road. So not too tiny detail. And then after I was done with the main swooping snowflakes on this, I went in and did some dots to kind of seem like some swirly snow around the bigger flakes, and helped give it that overall shape of just sort of the swooping lines. So yeah, just have fun with it. I sure did. Thanks to Infinity Cafe for hiring me.